Hello everyone. Welcome back to Slow English for Beginners. In this episode, I will talk about a day in the city. Let's start. I wake up early in the morning. I open the window. The city is already awake. I hear cars. I hear buses. I hear people talking. The city is busy. I take a shower. I eat a simple breakfast. I drink coffee. Then I leave my house. I walk to the bus stop. Many people are there. Some people are going to work. Some people are going to school. I get on the bus. The bus is full. People are sitting and standing. I look outside the window. I see tall buildings. I see shops and cafes. The city looks alive. I arrive at the city centre. I walk on the street. There are many shops. There are many people. Some people are shopping. Some people are talking. Some people are walking fast. At noon, I feel hungry. I go to a small restaurant. I order lunch. The food is simple, but it is good. I eat slowly. I enjoy my meal. After lunch, I walk in the city again. I go to a park. The park is quiet. I see trees. I see birds. I sit on a bench. I relax for a few minutes. In the afternoon, I visit a bookstore. I look at the books. I read some titles. I like the calm place. Then, I buy a small book. In the evening, the city changes. The lights are on. The streets are bright. People go back home. Some people meet friends. The city is still busy, but in a different way. At night, I return home. I feel tired, but happy. I had a nice day in the city. Thank you for listening. This was episode 8, A Day in the City. Please leave a comment. Tell us what you do in the city. See you in the next episode. Goodbye.